Now, I'm going to give you a topic. I'd like you to talk about it for 1 to 2 minutes. Describe an advertisement which persuaded you to buy something. You should say what the advertisement was, where you saw it, what it was about, and explain why it influenced you. You have 1 minute to prepare.
Well, I would like to talk about an advertisement that really influenced me to buy a product. It was actually an online advertisement, which I saw on social media, especially on YouTube and Instagram. The advertisement was about wireless earbuds, which were presented as affordable, stylish, and high quality. What really caught my attention was the way the product was shown. It included different situations, like studying, exercising, and traveling. It made the product look very useful in daily life. In addition, the advertisement highlighted some important features, such as long battery life, clear sound quality, and a comfortable design. Another thing that impressed me was the background music and the editing, which made the advertisement look modern and professional. Moreover, it also included positive customer reviews, which increased my trust in the product. Because of this, I became interested, and I decided to search for it online. After reading a few more reviews, I finally bought the earbuds. Fortunately, the product turned out to be quite good, and it met my expectations. I have been using them for some time now, and they are very useful in my daily routine. So I would say that this advertisement was very effective because it not only attracted my attention, but also convinced me to make a purchase decision.
Why do you think advertisements are so effective nowadays?
I think advertisements are very effective nowadays because they are visually appealing and they directly target people's needs and interests.
Do you think people are easily influenced by advertisements?
Yes, I believe people are easily influenced, especially young people, because they spend a lot of time on social media, where advertisements appear frequently.
What are the disadvantages of advertisements?
One disadvantage is that advertisements can sometimes be misleading, and they may exaggerate the quality of a product, which can disappoint customers.
How have advertisements changed in recent years?
In recent years, advertisements have changed a lot. They have become more digital, and now they are mostly seen on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and other social media.
Do you think advertisements should be controlled?
Yes, I think advertisements should be controlled to prevent false claims and to protect consumers from being misled.
What are the benefits of online advertising compared to traditional advertising?
Online advertising has many benefits, such as reaching a larger audience and being more cost-effective compared to traditional advertising like TV or newspapers.
Do you think advertising affects people's lifestyle?
Yes, I think advertising does affect people's lifestyle because it influences their choices, preferences, and even the way they spend their money.